Princess Sofia. Welcome to your first rehearsal. This is your orchestra. Say hello.
Hello, orchestra.
Hello,
Princess Sofia.
Shall we begin?
Okay. From the silver flying horses of the ever golden... let me try that again. From the silver flying...
Are you okay, Princess Sofia?
Actually, Mr. Luciano, I'm feeling a bit tired, but please don't worry. I know the anthem by heart.
All right then. Go get some rest, and we will see you at the festival tomorrow when you sing for the entire kingdom.